Okay, so check this out. I got a size 13 by 13 by 13 box, right? And then watch what happens here. I go over to inventory over here. I grab these 4 bags, right? Watch what I do. I put them in the box, right? It's not, guys, it's not that hard. Watch me. I stick them in the box. Then watch what I do. I come back over to my inventory. I go to another box. I get these. And then watch what I do. I come over here. And I stick them in over here. I do it like this, and then all I do is take the shipping label, which I got the packing slip with it, and watch what happens. Watch this. I put, well, you see what I'm doing? I'm putting the packing slip along with 1 extra shipping label. That's a tip. If the box somehow, if the label comes off the box, you don't want the product to be lost. The employee, whatever carrier you're using, they will open the box and see what's inside at some point. And if there's another label ready, they'll slap it on. It'll go down the road. Now watch this. I'll do it like this. I'll slap that on and it's out the door. So that is the reason, the number 1 reason why I like wholesale. Because when you're doing wholesale, you're dealing with the same products, and what that allows you to do is develop a system. I knew what size box I needed. I knew the dimensions. I knew the weight. I knew what would fit. What happens is you move faster when you develop systems. So the number 1 reason I like wholesale is because of systems. Number 2, check this out. See this inventory right here? When I woke up, it was already here, because unlike arbitrage, I didn't have to go out and buy it. I have an account with the manufacturer and they just deliver it right to me. And mind you, that was the 2nd delivery. I had 2 deliveries today. I had 1 delivery yesterday. Love it, guys. It is so easy. I'm not saying that there's anything wrong with arbitrage. I still do arbitrage, but all that running in and out of stores, if I could cut that back, I'm cutting it back. All right, now check this out. You see this? You see this right here? Here's this product has a problem. The problem is it's not selling. And you got to think, okay, this bag expires on the 10th of March. You see that right there? Look at the expiration date printed on there. That's something you're all familiar with, no big deal. But when you sell snack foods, I'm telling you how great it is to sell snack foods. But one thing I don't talk about that much is the fact that this stuff expires. So who eats it? What if it expires before you sell it? Who's going to eat it? Well, with wholesale, you can give this back. Okay, now you can't wait until it's already expired, but if it's getting tight, you can talk to your vendor, you can talk to your wholesaler, you can talk to the manufacturer, you can talk to the distributor and say, hey, these ain't working for me. Let me give these back. Now they're not going to give you your money back, but you don't want that. What you want is credit towards products that will sell. I have a bunch of products from that brand that do sell. So the thing, that's number 3. What I love about wholesale is you don't take losses the same way you would being on your own. Arbitrage, you on your own. Now, of course, you can turn around with arbitrage and you can do a return. You can go to customer service like anybody else, but it's not gonna work. It's an added inconvenience. Imagine this: instead of having to make a separate run to a store, having people look at you crazy, just imagine, you're going to see your vendor anyway. When he's bringing you stuff or she's bringing you stuff, you just turn these in, get the credit, boom. Now check this out over here. You see all these? This is more than what you would get if you went into the store and bought off the shelves. That's number 4. The fourth reason that I like wholesale, that I do wholesale, is because I can get the quantities that I need. To get this type of quantity, you're going to be running in arbitrage. You're going to be running to multiple stores, or you're just not going to find it. And maybe they'll have 3 on the shelf, and now you're done. When you got a hot selling item, momentum is the key, guys. Momentum. You can't keep your foot on the gas if you don't got the inventory. This allows you to buy in bulk. Check this out, guys. This is my pal that's going out today. Regular mail. Give you an idea of how that goes. This is what's going out UPS. FedEx isn't coming until tomorrow. I got the FedEx hidden back there right now. It's crazy. Actually, the van is down. I got an appointment to get that done. I got to take the Porsche out today. God, I don't even drive this car anymore, but I need it so I can get to work. Remember, I work a regular job as a truck driver. And if you ever wondered, trust you me, I work for the best trucking company in Central PA. Well, actually in Pennsylvania, period, bar none. And number 5 that I like, check this out. This one is probably one of the most important things that I love about wholesale. Wholesale, when you put the time in and you build the relationships, you're going to be armed to do battle. You go out here and you wonder, how are these guys making any money on this stuff? You know, with these prices that are so ultra competitive. When you build relationships with your vendors, with your suppliers, manufacturers over the years, this is going to take time. They will work for you. They will work with you to help you. They understand how competitive it is out there, and they will, the more you sell, the more money they make. So they will help you be able to do battle. There's so many things that happen in the business. If you stay in it long enough, things are going to happen that you wouldn't even think about. For example, check this out. This is a seasonal item, and I was able to get these in the grocery stores. They're going to put these up during the season, and then they got the warehouses have to buy them back. But when you have the right relationship, for example, I could get all the buybacks. That means I get a better price, like rock bottom, below wholesale. This is the time when you get really good deals with stuff like that. That's an example. Another thing I love about the relationships that you build over time, you may have a vendor that you're getting one brand with, turn around and that vendor bought another route. Now you have access to a brand. And this has happened multiple times, guys. Check this out. I've had my vendors end up buying other routes and give me access to new products that I would never be able to carry and get better pricing. That's number 5, the reason that I love wholesale. Hope you guys got value. Please hit the smash the like button. I meant to say, give me a like, a share, also subscribe. And make sure you take advantage of everything we got out there. Sign up for the Snackfood Symposium. Learn how you could be making money like this in your part-time, just like me, while you work your regular job. You're going to get to the bag, guys. There's so much value for you down in the description. I'll see you in the next video where we're going to talk about why I drive a minivan. Guys, remember, real men drive minivans. And when I get mine out of the shop, we're going to talk all about it.